Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see what to do if you forget your Facebook ID and password both. You can either use your mobile phone such as iPhone or Android to find out your username, and then you can reset your password. In this case I'm using my iPhone, so let me show you how to find your username and then reset your password. So you'll go to this screen at first and then select forgot password. Now you can enter your name here on this search text box here so that you can find out your username. Now you can enter your full name here on the search text box. Make sure that what name you have entered in your Facebook profile, the same name should be here. Then select search. Now what happens when you are creating a Facebook account is you have to enter an email address, then you also have to enter a mobile number. Now you can either use this email address or you can use the mobile number to get a verification code so that you can reset your Facebook ID password. So I want to get a verification code on my mobile number, so I will select this mobile number here and then I will select continue. Now a verification code has been sent to my mobile number and I will enter it here now and then select continue. So I have the option here to keep me logged in this device or log me out of all other devices. So I will select keep me logged in and then select continue. Now I have to enter a new password. Let me tell you that you cannot recover your old password, but you can now enter a new password. Continue. So now you have entered a new password. So this is what you do when you forget your Facebook username and password both. Now if you have to find out the Facebook username, you select on the more option. You will go to settings, you will go to account settings, then you will go to this general option here, and then you can see your name here. Now you can see the email. So this is the email you can use to log into your Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.